Yes, hello everyone. I want to welcome you all for this fourth lecture. If you have been watching, I want to thank you for, for the time you've taken out of your day to make sure you watch these videos. And I'm grateful for that. So now, the thing you're going to do today is look at Microsoft Word. Now, all you need to do is come to this start. So when you click on this Windows icon here, it's where the start menu is, and in the start menu there are different applications which we talked about in the last class. So here you can just simply type the word you want to type to look for. So we are going to look for words, so you type WORD. So Microsoft Word. So when you click on it, basically it will open up Microsoft Word. When it opens it up, you can see the different things here. There are the recent files I've worked on, and this is a blank document. That's the one we want to use. But these are other templates which come along with Windows. Basically, templates are like versions of something. If you, let's say, you want to create a report, using this adjacent report, so it comes already with some information inside the format. All you have to do is make changes to it to fit your desired needs. So first we want a blank document. So I'll click on blank document. Now, since I don't have information or data to play with or use, I would just type this command and press enter. And it will give me random information which I can use. I commonly use this a lot when it comes to teaching people these applications, because you find that typing is not something easy for many. So instead of spending a lot of time doing the typing, we would be using that time to do other things. So now the information is like this. So one of the key things you need to know are the shortcuts. So as you can see, for save is Control S, undo Control Z, redo Control Y. Then for copy is Control C. So if I want to copy this, press Control C, and remember Control V is for pasting. Then if you want to do other things like cut, I can literally press Control X and to cut the information, and I can put it here. Control V and to paste the information. Don't be confused because these words are the same, but literally one we copied and the other one we paste, we cut. And you can notice the difference because the word is no longer here. So that's one thing you need to recall. So if I want to go back, what's the key? Control Z. And it will bring back the information the way it was before. If you want to go back, where do you press? Control Y. So this is how the information was. I think there was an extra video provides. So you notice how the commands can be useful. So one of the things you need to keep in mind whenever you're working with these applications is that commands. So those different keys, keyboard shortcuts, actually that's the best word for it, keyboard shortcuts. I enjoy the word commands, forgive me for that. But keyboard shortcuts are the ones we are looking at. So now in Microsoft Word, those are the key areas you need to also think of whenever you're using an application. And those keys which I've showed you, Control Z, Control Y, Control C, Control V, Control X, all those can be used for different things when it comes to applications. Even when you're, like, let's say you're working on a document, or like a document like this, you can always do the same thing I've done, but you can also do it for applications like files and folders. You can also copy and paste using the same commands, Control C and Control V. So let me open up the File Explorer. Now I can open it up by pressing the Windows button, like the one we talked about in the last class, and press E. Then it will open up the File Explorer. So this is now the default for you to go to. So you can choose anything from here. Let's say want to download. Now let's say want to copy this. So just press Control C. Press. As you can see, I first press Control C. Then when I've highlighted the information, that's also another thing. Then I pasted it here. Notice it's now pasted. As you can see, the name has been the same, but the difference is the extra one. I mean copy, the word copy. Sometimes they add numbers, but sometimes it's just copy or something like that. Let's see what happens when we copy, paste it again, Control V. I see they put in the brackets copy. So yeah, something like that. So if I cut, notice the color will even change to become grayish. Then I paste it. I choose to paste it anywhere. Let's say I want to paste it in desktop and Control V. Simply paste it, and there you go. It's now pasted. So it can be used in the same way here. So I hope that was a good thing for you to learn. I wanted to show you this. Hopefully you have learned something from this short class. So now don't forget to save. Control S for saving. Then you choose this PC. You choose anywhere you want to save your work. So you can choose let's say this PC, desktop. Let's call it class 1. Hopefully you remind me in the next class. I usually forget exactly where I put the work. So you see the desktop, I call class 1. Then save. Just like that, I've been able to save. So yeah, that's it for today. We shall learn how to edit the document and all that in the next class. Thank you for attending this lecture, and hopefully we shall meet in the next one.